Hi, this is Josh Bullivant from Trappers Landing Lodge, coming to you from inside our pro shop here at Trappers Landing Lodge. All the gear that you see is free to use to all of our guests staying here. We're going to talk a little bit of muskie fishing today, so we've got the rods, reels, some tackle for you. I'm actually going to talk about what we should do once we catch that fish. Water temperatures are on the rise here across Leech Lake, as they are across the whole state of Minnesota, so it's important that we get that trophy muskie that we're all known for here on Leech Lake back in the water so we can catch it again, or another first time angler or experienced anglers can catch those fish again. Nice part is across the state of Minnesota we have protected muskie sizes here. It allows for those trophy fish. So one of the things when you do get those, especially warm water, is getting that fish back in the water and also keeping it in the water as long as you can. So here's some tools of the trade, I should say, that you should always have with you when you're out muskie fishing, especially those first time muskie anglers that are just getting into the sport. So make sure you got a big net, nice deep long net that you can keep that fish in the water. So once you've netted that fish, you want to make sure that you're leaving the net with the fish in the water. That allows him to calm down a little bit longer. We're going to keep and release that fish, same with getting the hook and stuff out of it while it's in the water. Next thing I always make sure I carry with me are a pair of gloves. They're not only important in keeping your hands safe from big hooks or from the big teeth on those muskies, but also keeping that fish safe as well. So it gives you a good grip on that fish, allows you to get in there and quickly get that hook out. Next thing is yes, we always carry a pair of needle nose pliers with us. These sometimes can get a little bit short though, especially in a big muskie. So make sure you carry a longer handled needle nose pliers. That way you can reach in there and get your hooks free. Sometimes those hooks get stuck, so instead of trying to fight the hook, it's best to bring a right angle clip with you. These are great for clipping off the hooks, so that way you can get that hook out. The hook will dissolve inside their mouth, so it's better to get, instead of trying to fight and pull on that, just clip your hook. Hooks are cheap and easily replaceable, even though it might be your favorite muskie lure. So once you get those hooks, we're doing all of this in the water right now, getting the hooks out. Make sure you got your gloves on. Then you can grab that fish, take your picture, and release it quickly. That way they have the best time to survive. The more time you take the fish out of the water, especially with these warm temperatures, the harder it will be to get that fish revived and catch it another day. So hopefully some of these tips help for those first time anglers. We're seeing some great muskie action across the lake, especially it'll continue to pick up as the summer goes on here on Leech Lake. So if you have any more questions, feel free to visit us at Trappers Landing Lodge or keep following us on Facebook. So we hope to see everybody here. We hope to see everybody catch their trophy muskie while they're visiting us on Leech Lake. So see you on the water.